Hello and welcome to this series of installation videos for the Permacon Vario wall. In the various installation videos, you will see how to install the Vario wall from start to finish, in linear or modular installations, vertical or setback, and how to build steps. The following installation videos were filmed in studio to show how the wall is to be installed. Please follow installation practices from the installation guide located on our website at www.permacon.ca. The Vario wall is available in thicknesses of 90 and 180 millimeters and in 3 different lengths. The 180 millimeter units are cored, making them lighter and easier to handle. All units are double-sided, and thanks to their tongue and groove system, no accessories are required. All units, including the corner units, are on pallets. Corner units are those where the tongue and groove system do not run the full length of the unit. As you can see, 4 out of 10 units are corners, 2 right corners and 2 left corners. This installation video has been recorded using the 90 millimeter wall, but these principles also apply to 180 millimeter units.